Welcome to the Car Reviews, introducing the all-new 2025 MK4 Supra. Produced between 1993 and 2002, introduced a sleek aerodynamic body that still looks stunning today. With its aggressive yet smooth lines, the signature double-bubble roof, and that massive rear wing, the Supra wasn't just about performance, it was a statement. The rounded headlights and muscular fenders give it an unmistakable presence, while Toyota designed the body to be both lightweight and aerodynamic, ensuring maximum performance. Inside, the Supra's interior was designed with the driver in mind. The cockpit wraps around the driver, with all controls angled toward them for a race car-like feel. The gauge cluster is simple yet effective, featuring a large tachometer and speedometer, everything you need for spirited driving. The 2JZ GTE is famous for its bulletproof design, forged internals, and immense tuning potential. With minor upgrades, these engines can easily push over 500 horsepower, and with serious tuning, they can exceed 1,000 horsepower. This is why the Supra became a favorite among tuners and street racers. But the real magic of the Supra MK4 lies under the hood. This car came with two engine options, the naturally aspirated 2JZ GE and the legendary 3-liter twin-turbocharged 2JZ GTE, producing 276 horsepower in Japan and 320 horsepower in the US. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite thing about the Supra MK4 Amcheck, and if you had one, what mods would you do first? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic car content.